everyone. Myself, Dr. Sonam Gupta, working as a professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. So, today I'm going to discuss another complex topic, which is social media marketing, and it is a subject being used for the digital and social media marketing. So, let's see first of all what is social media marketing. Basically, social media marketing it utilizes the social media platforms so that to make aware about the brand to a dedicated audience. And in this opportunity, what we can do, we can boost up our sales, we can build our persona, we can drive more traffic to the website so that more and more people come to purchase our project. Basically, this is a social media strategy which includes great content such as publishing the readable and the writable as well as the attractive content from the website or over the social media. What is the benefit by doing so? The main benefit by doing so is that the audience get interactively engaged in the website and they can buy the products through the e-commerce as well. Next one, social media marketing. These marketers, they are at the creative digital marketing agencies which use popular search websites like the Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, etc. to boost up the sales. Here we find the wide range of social media management and they want to schedule the post. We can design the council accordingly so that everything is possible for the social media. Here we use various statistics. Social media it uses various statistics are there. Like for example, in 2024, they estimated around 5.17 billion. There are total social media users which are available on the website. Similarly, there are 6.7 various informations which is available over the website. The amount of the time of the internet the users they spend on the social media it implies to 143 minutes per day. Similarly, if we see over other websites or other social media which is available, so the TikTok, which was there, it was the fastest growing platform. It has been currently banned, but it was the fastest growing platform over the social media. Now, the number of the social media users, the statistics have found that this number of social media users, they grew by 320 million from January 2023 to January 2024. So we can see there is a vast increment in the number of users as well. The growth, they may seem slow, but that's due to the sheer number of people who already use the social media. Because before 2023, there were many people who were already using this social media. So we can say that the social media, it presents a huge opportunity for the marketers and the advertisers so that they can apply their statistics and they can sell their product as well. Now the users, they spread across several platforms and they are having different brands for the multi-channel approach. So this is another way to boost our sales. Now coming to some social media advertising statistics. Now there was a thing like organic reach decreases on nearly every platform which is paid on the social media, and it becomes a must-use strategy for reaching the target audience. So this is the one strategy which we can follow. Another, the social media advertising is projected to reach to 219.8 billion in 2024. Another statistics which is there is that it's now projected that it will generate more and more data through mobile by 2028. Similarly, these are the social media advertising statistics which have been provided so that we can come to know that how much people are being spending on the social media and what is the impact of social media in today's era. This is a particular graph which shows that the social media and spend which are being displayed on the social media, it is growing at a steady rate. Like you can see in 2017 it was 15.3, in 2018 it became 73.3, in 19 it became 97.5. Similarly, if you see over the years, there is a steady increase in the use of the social media and its statistics. So we can say that day by day, more and more people are being preferring social media for the digital marketing. Let's see the statistics of a famous website which is Facebook. Now, Facebook, it is always a advertising powerhouse of the system. We all know that. So, whether or not brands should focus on Facebook, it is a tough question. and it purely depends upon the matrices which have been provided by the Facebook. Now, it has been proved that the Facebook, it is the most used platform by the marketers, about 89%, and the second one comes as the Instagram, and Instagram sits on the 80%. So more and more marketers can use Facebook for the digital marketing, and the second place which is coming over the metrics, it is Instagram. Now, as of Q3 2023, Facebook, it is the largest online social network platform which is available, and the world with is roughly 3.05 monthly active users. Similarly, the average American, they spends about 31 minutes per day on the Facebook. So this is just the metrics of the Facebook. Similarly, we are having the metrics of each and every other digital platform. Now, if I talk about how much male and how much female about the Facebook, then there are approximately 56.3% of the Facebook users are male and 43.7 are the female. This is based on the gender available data. So basically, almost a quarter of Facebook users in the US between the ages 25 to 34. So we can say that Facebook, it is the most favorite among the marketers. And that's not it because of the considering massive reach which is offered by Facebook, but also the increasing average age means that more and more users are in the highest level and the decision making positions in their careers for this. Now, next comes the statistics for the Instagram. Let's see what the statistics for the Instagram says. Instagram, it boasts 2 billion active monthly users, and yet brands are still scrambling to get more and more Instagram followers. So if I talk just about the Instagram statistics, so it is having with the highest ROI, that is return on investment, it is having the highest ROI, and 27.4% of US Instagram users, they are between 25 to 34 years old, and 61.1 of the Instagram users worldwide are between 18 to 34 and which are identified as male. So this is the Instagram statistics. We can say that both Facebook and Instagram are more commonly used for the marketing purposes. Now, coming to the most popular topic, which is Instagram Reel. So Instagram Reel, it generates more likes and saves but fewer comments than regular post. So this is also another statistics. So that means the engagement rates for the Instagram, it has been proved that it is 4 times higher than the Facebook. And the engagement, it has become more competitive each year. So more and more people are using the Instagram as well because of the reels and all those things. On to the social media platform for the influencers, Instagram, it is going to be the competition from TikTok. TikTok, although has been currently banned in India, but again, it has been a competition with the TikTok. Now, next question comes, which social media platforms offer marketers the highest ROI? So this is a particular graph which shows, so we can see that both Facebook and Instagram are giving 29% of the ROI. So they are going hand in hand. YouTube, it is giving 26%. TikTok, it is giving 24%. Twitter or X, it is giving 16%. And LinkedIn, it is again giving 16%. So this is just purely on the basis of the statistics that how much ROI is being given to the users who are publicizing their products over these social media platforms. Next comes about the LinkedIn statistics, because LinkedIn is another popular way to advertise the social media things. So here LinkedIn, it has done a brilliant job of carving out its niche as the go to the professional network. LinkedIn, as we all know, that it is basically a purely professional website. The various professionals from different domain, they come, they share about their achievements or how the things are going over the digital marketing. What are the new approaches that can be used? What are the new technologies that has been developed? So we can find all those professional related things on the LinkedIn. So in the LinkedIn, we should know that there are more than 1 billion members across 200 countries over the LinkedIn. So this statistics clearly show that there are more number of users which are available on the LinkedIn as well. So we can use the companies the industry companies, they are using LinkedIn on their profile for getting more and more number of advertisers. Now, 60% of the worldwide users on the LinkedIn, they range between 25 to 34 years, and they are far exceeding at any other age group. So it is the widespread career changes over the past 2 years, and the platform doesn't look to slow down at any time soon. So LinkedIn, it has been growing from time to time. Next is the pin interest. Let's see the statistics for the pin interest as well. Pin interest, it often doesn't get its due when it comes to the social platforms. The platform is diverse, it is big spending audience, and it's among the most dedicated and engaged. So let's see what are the various pin interest statistics over there. 482 million people, they use pin interest every month. Second info, 36.2 of the pin interest users, they are women, 17.2 are men, and 6.6% they are the unspecified. Next statistics, in December 2023, nearly 1.2 billion visits were measured to pin interest from desktop to the mobile. So that means clearly the number of users are being increasing to pin interest as well. If I talk about worldwide, then 76.2, they are identified as the female. It is the third most visited social media website in the US. Similarly, 80% of weekly users, they found a new brand or a new product over the pin interest. So the power of pin interest advertising, it is well documented, and it's a perfect place to uncover the new products as well. Let's see over the TikTok statistics. Similarly, the TikTok, it is expected to reach over 2 billion users in 2024, and the average spending hour, it is 34 hours per month on the TikTok. So that is again a growing social media platform. 48% of the users, they have been identified as a women. This is based on the gender available data. Most of them, they are from 18 to 24 years, and the TikTok advertising audience as well. So it is the second most used video entertainment app by monthly active users. Next is X, which was formerly Twitter. Let's see its statistics as well. According to its statistics, it has cemented itself as the hub of political discussions, memes, and a prime place to go back and forth for with the brands as well. So currently there are 619 million monthly active users in the total worldwide. Similarly, we are having 53% of X users to use the platform to get the latest news. More than half, that is 63% of X users, they are men. And the 33% of the users, they spend less time on X in 2024. So basically it is for providing the various tweets and the information about the political background or any industry or any company, etc. Let's see the statistics of the YouTube, because YouTube, it is also a digital media platform. So YouTube, it has nearly 2.5 billion users worldwide. And for the YouTube Shorts, we are having 2 million monthly active users. Similarly, it has been divided into males and female as well, based on the gender group and the age group as well. Now, statistics say that the YouTube spend an average of 28 hours 5 minutes on the Android app each month. That is the spending time of the YouTube users on the Android app. Similarly, nearly 90% of all the visits to YouTube, they come from a mobile device, because nowadays what is happening, all are having their mobile phones. On the mobile phone, we are having the internet. And over the internet, we can easily access any other YouTube. Suppose I want to know about any other topic or any other latest technology. So what we will do, we just go to the YouTube, we find that particular information, and our work is sorted. So there are more number of hours which is being spending on the YouTube. And since everyone is using the mobile phone, so number of requests from the mobile phone is also increasing. Next is the social media video statistics. So video continues to be an all-time favorite content. It is versatile, engaging, and it offers excellent ROI to the marketers worldwide. So what is it? It is preferred to learn about a new product via a small video or a short, that is a video content, because by looking at the video we can easily overcome what is happening over there. So 87 of the marketers say that the video marketing, it has directly related to the sales as well, and similarly the ROI also gets increased. US video advertising, it is expected to increase from $76.97 billion to $84.61 billion in 2024. And it is making its way into all the types of the marketing strategies in the virtual strategies. And it is evolving in its shape and the form. And the brands are seeing more and more accurate results when they are posting their products over the social media. The advertising can be in any other form, like it can be in the form of a video, it can be in the form of an image, or it can be in the form of a short reel, etc. So that is the social media video statistics. This is how would you like to learn about a product or a service. This is a survey which was being conducted. So it was asked that how would you like to learn about a product or a service that has been recently launched. So through webinars, it is coming 5%, through sale calls 6%, through reading the articles 13%, by viewing infographic, it is coming to be 15%, by reading the manuals, it is 16%, but while watching the video, it is 44%. So according to this survey as well, we can know that more and more people prefer watching a video to know about any article or any other technology or any other product that is being coming into the market. Now, influencer marketing statistics. Now, working with the influencer, it is one of the best inbound marketing strategies which is being used today. We are having multiple influencers. The influence can be of any, like for a cloth, for food. We are having various influencers, and this is another way for the social media marketing. So like they believe that the TikTok, it offers the highest ROI for the market influencers for short form video content, and followed by 29.9% of the marketers. They're saying that the Instagram Reels, and 12% say that the YouTube Shorts are more comfortable for them. 69% of the marketers, they use TikTok for influencer marketing, making it the most popular influencer marketing channel. 60% of the marketers, they plan to spend more on the influencer marketing campaigns in 2024. So 63% of the marketers, they plan to use AI in launching their various campaigns for their influencer campaigns, and 55% of these brands, they will use AI for identifying the influencers as well. So we can see that influencers again play an important role, and artificial intelligence, which is AI, it is an important role for the digital social media marketing. Now coming to the consumer behavior statistics, the concept of buying something that we saw on the social media, it is nothing new. So earlier what was happening, we see the advertisement of television, then we buy the product. Similarly, now what is happening, we see anything on the social media, so we buy that product. So that is the consumer behavior statistics as well, and it is well documented, and the product online, they provide at least for a week. So 56.1% of the internet users, they purchase a product online. So that is again a consumer behavior statistics as well, that more and more customers are purchasing the things online by the help of the social media. 51.2% of the people, they research brands online before they make a purchase. Why they research online? Because we can get various reviews. Like suppose I'm going to purchase a product X. Now I want to know that whether product X is useful or not. So what I'll do, I'll go through the various reviews of the people that had already purchased that product, and thereby I'll come to the decision that whether this product is good or not. So we are basically we research about the product before purchasing it. So the biggest purchase drivers across all the ages, what is required, it is free shipping, various discounts, and easy return policies as well. Now the recent growth of the direct social sales, it is notable. Social media has commendably increased the sales of the products as well. Now, the major question which arises is, what is the most used social media platform? So we can see that according to the current statistics, Facebook, it is the most used social media platform, and the second one goes for the Instagram. But if I talk about the total statistics, both Facebook and Instagram, they are having 29%. Next one, it is social media use increasing? Yes, definitely. Social media use is increasing day by day because more and more customers are being related to it, and more services are being provided to it. Next one, is social media marketing still effective? So, as we have discussed, since it is an era of the artificial intelligence, which is AI, so no doubt that the social media marketing, it is effective day by day, and as the time will go on, by the help of more number of influencers, by the help of more number of customers, the social media platforms, this is going to be a huge market. Thank you.